Welcome to the tutorial video for Fast Track USA, your gateway to exclusive training opportunities in the premier hospitality destinations across the United States. In this video, we will guide you through the training opportunities, candidate eligibility, partner brands, exciting destinations, program fees, step-by-step process, and the incredible benefits of the Fast Track program. Let's get started. Fast Track USA offers a wide range of training programs to build your skills and boost your career in the hospitality industry. Whether you're interested in culinary arts, food and beverage, or rooms division, Fast Track has got you covered. With positions like sous chef, waiter, front office, and many more, you'll have the chance to gain hands-on experience in your desired field. Now, let's talk about candidate eligibility. Fast Track USA caters to various individuals at different stages of their careers. Whether you're a student, a recent graduate, an early career professional, or someone with extensive work experience, there's a J1 visa program that's right for you. Fast Track makes it easy for you to explore the eligibility criteria and find the program that aligns with your goals. Fast Track USA proudly partners with top luxury brands across the United States, providing exclusive career opportunities for participants. From high-class hotel chains to upscale resorts, our partnership network offers access to hundreds of exciting brands, making it the perfect launchpad for your hospitality career. Even better, our training programs span captivating destinations nationwide. Whether you envision yourself in the vibrant nightlife of Miami or marveling at the natural wonders of Utah, Fast Track USA caters to your dreams. With options ranging from California to Colorado and Texas, each destination promises a unique blend of culture, natural beauty, and plenty of career prospects. We understand transparency is crucial, which is why we provide 100% visibility when it comes to the J1 program's process and costs. The program fees cover essential services such as visa processing, placement with a host company, support and guidance throughout your journey, and access to exclusive learning kits on Lobster Inc. The fees ensure a seamless and rewarding experience. Candidates are only required to make an initial deposit of $2,395 American dollars before arrival. This ensures you have all the necessary visa application services for a smooth start. When you arrive, you'll set up easy automated bi-weekly payments with your American debit or credit card. These will continue for the duration of your program. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of the Fast Track program. Number 1. Complete the application form. To apply for the Fast Track program, simply visit our website at fasttrack.hosco.com/USA. Click on the Get Started button and fill in the application form. Number 2. Pre-screening interview. If your application is eligible, you will receive a confirmation email with an invitation to a pre-screening call with a Fast Track representative to provide further information and answer any questions you may have. Number 3. Complete the registration package. After the pre-screening call, you'll receive a registration package containing our service agreement, which outlines the program's terms and conditions. Number 4. Registration fee. To secure your spot in the program, complete the payment for the registration fee as specified in the registration package. Number 5. Interview with host companies. This will allow you to proceed to the next step, which is interviewing with host companies in the United States. Choose your desired internship or trainee opportunity from our list of available programs and showcase your skills and passion during the interviews. Number 6. Get your J1 visa. Once you successfully secure a position with a host company, our J1 experts will assist you throughout the visa application process to ensure a smooth experience. Number 7. Book your plane tickets. Prepare your documents, check your passport, and book your flight tickets to the United States. Number 8. Move abroad. Embark on a life-changing journey that will shape you both personally and professionally. This program is created especially for you to develop effective communication skills, enrich understanding of Western culture and global connections, experience hands-on learning, complementing academic achievements, strengthen credentials and future career opportunities, and help you earn and secure the return on your investment for the program. Fast Track USA is your passport to a rewarding hospitality career in the United States. Start your journey today by visiting fasttrack.hosco.com/USA and begin the application process. We look forward to welcoming you to Fast Track USA.